Okay, Betty. We have been talking for about a month now about you doing things on your own, right? Having your own shop. So, can you tell me what you have going on now at your home?
Yeah, I'm grateful we've got a new home. Um, that we've set up a shop that people come and buy stuff. Yeah,
So, what are you selling at your shop?
we are selling drinks like sodas, matunda, and minute maid, and some other different things, tomato, onions, kosho.
So, this is the first time you're doing your own project, right? How much money do you think that I've given you to set up your home, your shop, and to buy things? Just a roundabout.
If I estimate,
Uh huh.
if I'm to estimate, because the house was 600 altogether, if I estimate, total is around 1 million and
1 million,
something.
right?
Yeah.
So 1 million has let you do a lot of good things, but you are needing maybe more money, right?